Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Series X is updated and you are signed into the Xbox profile you want the moving wallpaper on. Once done, open the Microsoft Store app and search for dynamic backgrounds or specific animated theme packs. Download the pack you like. These are small, typically under 1 GB. While it downloads, make sure you have at least a gigabyte free and a stable internet connection so the package installs without interruption. Once the background package is installed, go to Profile and System, then Settings, General, and Personalization. From there, choose My Background and switch to the Dynamic Backgrounds tab. This shows installed animated themes. Select the one you downloaded and press Apply. Your home screen will update to the animated wallpaper. Make sure to preview it if it looks choppy. Close background apps and check your console isn't in energy-saving mode, because performance and frame rate can affect the animation smoothness. To finalize, restart your Series X so the animated wallpaper loads cleanly into UI memory and runs smoothly. If you don't see motion or the theme won't apply, reopen the store and re-download the dynamic pack, then try applying again. If problems persist, clear persistent storage in Blu-ray settings, confirm your system software is current, and ensure the pack is available in your region. One quick troubleshooting tip: uninstall then reinstall the pack before contacting support. That often fixes corrupted install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.